Did you know a single military decision in 1938 led to one of history's deadliest floods? In a desperate move to stop Japanese forces, Chinese troops destroyed the Yellow River's dikes, unleashing devastating waters that killed 500,000 people. The flood displaced millions, destroyed 11 cities, and changed modern warfare forever. Scientists still study how this tactical flooding reshaped China's entire river system. Ever wondered what other environmental weapons changed the course of history?